Hey everybody, welcome to episode 58 of Theme Park Build 2.0. As you can see here, I am making some foundation props for, structures in other words, for my, Chocolate Emporium ride. Luckily enough, I'll use, bricks to make my track layout. Oh yes, and our ride will end right here. So anyways, this here is what our track layout for this ride here looks like. All we need now are some rails. So this ride here has mostly rails, of course. No powered rails to power up. Oh wait, I have two powered rails here. I almost forgot I had one already. Anyways, let's explore here. There are mostly normal rails here. There'll be a chocolate waterfall here. And this is like the bubble room, with all the bubbles floating around. Lights, camera, action, and the golden lift, which usually takes place at the end of the Willy Wonka film. And we've reached the end of the ride. Now I'll show you how cool this will look. I need my light green concrete. Because this section of the ride is the candy area, the big forest filled with candy, of course. Maybe I'll put white here. I'll grab the white concrete again. And now for our chocolate waterfall. Hang on, weren't there mud blocks? Oh yeah, here they are. Packed mud, mud bricks. Hey, it almost does feel like mud. Of course, but let's just leave that one be and make the waterfall for here. There. Here we have our chocolate waterfall. It almost looks like the chocolate waterfall indeed. Alrighty then. Well anyways, we'll add more props for this indoor attraction when we come back. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more. Bye bye!